I hear the drums echoing tonight, but she hears only whispers of some quiet conversations. She's coming in 12:30 flight! Wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. Stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find some long forgotten words or ancient melodies. He turned to me as if to say, "Hurry, boy, it's waiting there for you!" Boom, 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 boom. It's gonna take a lot to take me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. Oh, okay, we're in. Alexa, stop. So, yeah. We're just gonna go and grab this door. And where's the other one? Up here. No, it's owned by Gus. Alright, I'm gonna have to ask him to sell that if I want to put printers, but I think I'll just keep the printers at that other base. Hey, could you sell that door? I'm trying to build a gun shop. Yeah, could you? I'm a gun dealer, yeah. Yeah. I had to pay a guy 100K just because he decided to fucking sit here and buy all the doors.
Are you selling guns right now?
Oh, well, that man just arrested you and he's gonna try to arrest me.
You're unarrestable.
Yeah, just be hopped away from that cop or SWAT trying to AOS people. I'll just grab my spaz just in case he's around the corner. Let's just see where he's at. Yeah, he's somewhere. Just a bit sketched out. Put a fading door on it. And then a keypad with a delay. 10 seconds is fine. It's not like anyone's actually gonna raid me. Yeah, dude, I love that map. Ooh, looks sweet. Alright. We do have to unlock this. Jesus, this is difficult. I gotta play with like 4 different keys. Shoot. Okay. I think I'll just leave it open. Alright, so I just put the building sign out front. We should be good. So that'll be our 3rd safe door. This thing looks sick. I love this material. Alright, so we have boom, boom, boom. And then our front door right there. Easy. Yeah. Gun deal should go good. See if we can get some customers. I'm probably gonna put a KOS sign up after, but I don't even know, man. Hey, what's up? Would you like to buy some guns? What type of guns would you like? Currently, I have assault rifles, shotguns, snipers, whatever you need. I got like TAR 21s. I have what's called a SVD Dragunov. It's like a one-shot. It's really good.
How much?
I'll check. Alright, so we have our first sale here. I'll sell it to him for 100K. That would be 100K.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna get a shipment of Mussenbergs for this guy. $75K. Alright, 170K. This guy's first shipment is going into the loot hole. And yeah. Oh, there's lag. Alright, here we go. Second shipment going in. And yeah, there's our second sale. Thank you, sir. Alright, so I hope this doesn't bait anybody in to raid us, but here we go. Jeez, man, I'm putting all the guns out. There's some people near my base. Shoot. I'm kinda scared, man. Kinda scared. Ah, this guy from FT. Hey. Would you like to buy some guns, Sushi? A whole shipment of ACR?
Yeah, I want ACR. No.
That's 200K. I accidentally picked one up. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Oh god, my Alexa just went out like a weirdo. Alright. I didn't ask her to play Despacito.
I'm not sure.
Jeez, I have to turn her down. Alright, there you go. There's another one at the back, yeah, there you go. I'm turning her down right now, man. She's crazy. No problem. Dude, I got my fidget spinner and everything. It's a great day. I got my grenade ready. Man. Let me just open this up. Oh wait, hold up.
What's up, bro?
Hey man. What the? Oh, shoot, we're getting raided. I'm gonna toss this grenade. I got that timer on it, man.
Hello?
Shoot, man. Let me lob this grenade over. Work. No, it didn't work. It didn't work. Ah. Oh shoot, man. He's gonna get me. Ah shoot. What do I do? Do I run or not? I don't even know. I really need to get this grenade. I got it! I got it! Let's see if I can get him. Oh! I hit him! I hit him!
What the fuck? That's just fucking... No,
Alright, I'm dipping. I'm dipping. I'm out. Oh no! All the shipments! All the shipments! They're all inside. Shoot, man! I'm out of here! I got my fidget spinner and everything. Can I throw this in here?
that's been door That's...
Alright guys, we're gonna go and raid somebody. These are the guys that definitely raided me. Yeah, it's a Highlander guy. Alright. Let's just get in here quick. Got some lockpicks, man. Let's hope he doesn't see it. Alright, I have a hack phone. Can just hack right through this thing. There we go. Come on, man, work. Work. Why isn't this thing working? What is up with this? I'm just trying to get this thing to work, man. Alright, here we go. I don't know why this fading door isn't working, but there we go. I hope he doesn't come through. Alright, we're halfway there. Come on. Hey, wait. What is this? Alright, here we go. Oh, we got printers, boys. We got printers. Yes, yes, yes. We got a Supreme printer, man. Oh my god. We got Supreme, man. This is actually kind of sweet. Okay, okay. I think I'll destroy this one. Oh my god, I have so many printers. I'm messing my group. There's a level 9. No, it's a level 6. Alright, it's still good. Oh shoot, he's back. He's home, he's home, he's home. He's home, he's home. What's gonna happen? Oh my god, he doesn't see me. He really doesn't see me, man. We do. Alright. Let's destroy this. Alright, let's dip. Wait, it's stuck. Dude, his printer's stuck. I can't get it. I think there must be. Is there something in here? Can I lockpick it? There's no keypad. I'm so confused. Anyway, alright, we're just gonna destroy this thing. Let's trick shot it. Ooh. Switch to the spas, then to the Winchester. Okay, I missed, but it's fine. Okay, I destroyed it. Alright, there we go. Did he just prop block me? Oh my god, he's in. He's in the base. I was invisible in your base.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I won't say that. There we go. Alright. GG. Alright, well, that's gonna be today's episode. I had a bit of fun. We had a bit of beef with that guy Highlander, but we made a fair trade. He took my 30 shipments, or my 3 shipments, and I destroyed his Supreme printer, so he has to buy those back. So I mean, it was in all a fair trade. Yeah. Peace out, guys. My name is Edge. And I'll see you guys later.
Niggas in my butthole, 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 niggas in my butthole.